when I searched for the alien. It ran away. It got scared.
Yeah, it's scary.
So we thought it was the code, and it was just in there, and it's like. We're a little louder now, just because.
And there's a car right here. Just be quiet.
Wow, we almost got hit by that car.
Yeah, no, I've got the breeze on my ankle.
Too loud. Okay, Dad, don't look at the camera. Act normal. Now, shut up. Okay. We're gonna cut through it. You're so close to me, dude. Come on. Be careful, honey. Wow. This is like scary. This is big time scary. This is serious beeswax. Walking through the woods. That's where we last saw the alien. Down there, by the auditorium. There's some alien campers up there.
Vaporize the camera by now.
You almost whacked me with this marshmallow stick. The little alien baby.
Yeah, it was so scary. I almost like peed my pants.
Normal. On one of the aliens.
Thank you.
We're coming to the grass in search of the alien. Let's run. The alien must have went this way. I can smell his debris. It's actually a girl that we're searching for. Man. God. Alien. Man, the alien scared me to death. Anyway, it's wearing green.
Yeah, but isn't it like their natural color?
No, it's wearing green.
I think it's one of those things from like that movie, you know, how like they change.
No, dude, I don't. That's a different movie.
Yeah.
We're talking about different movies. The alien must have went through here. I see its tracks. See? That's different from the others.
Yeah, I know. It's like the voice in that movie, Howard the Duck. Is this really funny, Sergeant?
That was close. No tracks.
What's the Howard the Duck?
Crossing the road of death.
So we just crossed the road down.
It looks like the alien tracks are here. Look. Going down the stairs. Going down the stairs. Ready for this parkour? Do a parkour off of that.
Okay.
It's gonna be amazing. Oh my God.
So bad.
Come on, man. Do it one more time.
Okay.
Searching for aliens, not parkour. That was nice, by the way. Normal.
That dog has a big voice.
It does have a big voice. Dude, stop.
Dude.
Yeah. Just saw the alien somewhere in that crowd of normal people.
Oh my God. Yeah, the dog's gonna eat us. The dog is gonna eat us.
No, it's not. We're going to the lake. The what's it called has its own alien.
House and stuff like that. You know what I mean?
The house is a shack. It's actually a big house compared to mine, a shack compared to a doghouse.
The dog taking a whistle off on the floor.
Act normal, going in.
Dude, that dog is cute.
Okay, act normal. Act like the camera's not on.
Show me the